Hello everyone, I'm Danielle and welcome to Cooking and Culture. Okay, so I'm making a green tea iced matcha latte. I have the sweetened matcha as you see here, some sugar, vanilla extract, coconut extract, almond milk, vanilla of course, and some whipped cream. So of course I add in my almond milk first. I don't use measurements, but I just eyeball it. And then I add in the sweetened matcha to go. You can get those singles at Publix. They're really good. Then add in some sugar, not too much. You see maybe a third of a tablespoon, not too much or 2/3. A full tablespoon of vanilla extract. Not much coconut extract. Should have had a better camera angle, but I did about 5 drops. Not even half a tablespoon of coconut extract. You don't want to overpower that vanilla flavor. Mix it really good with your frother or with your spoon or whisk or whatever you have. I got this for Amazon for $10 and it is worth the investment. And then add some ice and your whipped cream. And there you have it. Beautiful, 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 sweet green tea iced matcha latte. Okay, bye.